Hello everyone, welcome to Birdsong Meadow, a tranquil haven where birds of all feathers come to rest. Today, we're going to whisper goodnight to each of our feathered friends. Are you ready to tuck them in as night falls? Hello, cheerful robin. Today, our little red-breasted friend spent the day hopping joyously around, singing sweet melodies from the blooming apple trees. Now, with the sky painted in hues of twilight, our robin nestles into the soft, warm nest, ready to dream of juicy worms and morning dew. Can we all say goodnight to our cheerful robin friend and wish it gentle dreams? Hello, graceful swan. Today, our elegant friend glided across the shimmering lake, its feathers shimmering under the setting sun. Now, feeling the evening's cool caress, our swan curls into the safety of the lakeside reeds. Can we all say goodnight to our graceful swan friend and wish it tranquil dreams? Hello, wise kingfisher. Today, our brightly colored friend spent the afternoon by the gurgling brook. As dusk settles in, our kingfisher finds solace on a gentle, swaying branch, ready to rest its vivid feathers and sharp gaze. Can we all say goodnight to our wise kingfisher friend and wish it serene dreams? Good night, wise kingfisher. Hello, busy hummingbird. Today, our tiny, vibrant friend flitted energetically among the wildflowers, its wings a blur of speed and grace. With night's curtain drawing close, our hummingbird snuggles into the tiny cup of its nest. Can we all say goodnight to our busy hummingbird friend and wish it sweet, nectar-filled dreams? Good night, busy hummingbird. Hello, majestic eagle. Today, our commanding friend soared high against the backdrop of the vast blue sky, its gaze sharp and its flight steady and strong. Now, as the stars begin to twinkle, our eagle settles atop the ancient cliffside. Can we all say goodnight to our majestic eagle friend and wish it dreams of lofty peaks and clear skies? Good night, majestic eagle. Hello, playful blue jay. Today, our spirited friend cavorted among the oak trees, its bright blue feathers a-splash against the green. As the cool of the night whispers through the leaves, our blue jay tucks into a nook among the branches, feathers fluffed, ready for a night of dreams. Can we all say goodnight to our playful blue jay friend and wish it dreams of acorns and sunlit days? Good night, playful blue jay. Hello, quiet dove. Today, our gentle friend cooed softly from the meadow's edge, soothing all who heard its tender song. Now, nestled among the soft grasses, our dove closes its eyes, its heart full of peace as it drifts into slumber. Can we all say goodnight to our quiet dove friend and wish it dreams of tranquility and morning's gentle light? Good night, quiet dove. Make sure they're all asleep. We've softly said goodnight to all our beautiful bird friends in the serene birdsong meadow. All our companions here are now sleeping soundly. And now it's your turn to snuggle down and sail into your own night of peaceful dreams.